Check it out.
Well, the weather's turned cool this holiday weekend, so I'm going to make a delicious wild Alaskan salmon bisque. Once again, I'm using Trader Joe's canned wild Alaskan pink salmon. Water packed and nothing in that can but the salmon, a little bit of water, and 350 milligrams of salt. Melt 1/4 cup of butter in your pan. Add 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour to make a nice roux. Add some freshly ground black peppercorns. We're going to add a sprinkle of Himalayan coarse pink salt. Just a sprinkle, because the salmon, remember, has 350 milligrams of salt, and the butter has salt. We're going to add 1/2 cup of celery, a little splash of half and half. We're going to let that simmer. Looks pretty good. Now we're going to add the rest of the milk. It's 1 quart of half and half because we want it to be rather rich and creamy. Once that's warmed up a bit, we're going to add a handful of organic chopped dill. Stir that in. We're going to add the whole can of the wild salmon. I like to leave it rather chunky. The can is almost 15 ounces. We're going to stir that, and you can see that's already starting to thicken and become creamy. I'm going to add a little bit more pepper. Never hurts for me anyway. Look at that. Perfection. Thick, chunky, and creamy. I'm serving it with a little splash of white wine, a nice piece of bread, and I'm telling you, on this cold weekend, this really hits the spot.